Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. I'm the owner of a small business called Fauna, and in today's video I am going to be working on packaging up all your orders from my launch day. So I recently launched my autumn collection. Finally, it took ages, but we got there in the end and you guys showed up and it was wild. I think I ended up with like 20 something orders, maybe 22. I'm not sure off the top of my head, but you guys seem to absolutely love the collection, so I am very grateful for all of you for showing up and placing some orders. A bunch of you left some really kind notes on your orders as well, which is incredible. But long story short, I launched 15 new scrunchies on the website, which was a lot of work, but I loved the collection. A lot of the scrunchies and the designs were very limited. I only had a few of some of those patterns, but some of them I had quite a lot of. There was a good mix of XLs, minis. I had limited edition lace trim ones that joined the collection and stuff, which was absolutely amazing. So if you place an order, guys, thank you so much. I am going to crack on with packaging up your orders, which I'm really excited about. So I started grabbing people's goodies, and I'm not really going to do this in any order whatsoever, but I'll quickly show you what people ordered and then we will package them. So let's get into it. So the first three orders, we've got Gabrielle. She went with 2 Arden minis as well as one of the Raven lace trim minis. Then we have Lynn, who picked up one of the Raya minis and the Cressida minis. We also have Jess, who picked up a Sam mini, a Violet mini, and then 2 no waste mystery scrunchies. And then finally we have Kerry, who picked up an Isabel mini, a Faith mini, and 2 no waste mystery scrunchies. And then Ruth grabbed the Emmy mini, the Lindsay mini, and the Sam mini. So guys, thank you so much. Let's get those first few packaged up. So the next 3 orders, we've got Lucy, who went for a Sam XL and a Courtney mini. Got my younger sister Jasmine, who went for a Raven lace trim scrunchie, a Ginger mini, a Courtney mini, and a Milk mini. And then finally Annalisa went with an Isabel XL, an Arden XL, and a Shayla XL. So guys, thank you so much. Let's do these 3 next. So the next 2, we've got Eleanor and Elaine, and I'm pretty sure this is Elaine F because we've got 2 Elaines that I've ordered, I believe. But Elaine has picked up an Emmy mini, a Rory mini, a Lindsay mini, a B Wristlet, an Ophelia mini, and then a Raya mini in XL. So thank you so much, lovely. And then Eleanor has picked up an Arden XL, an Arden mini, Emmy XL, Emmy mini, Ginger mini, a Reagan lace trim, as well as a Raya mini. So guys, thank you so much. Let's get these 2 packaged up and then we'll do another 2. So next, Kirsty has gone for a bunch of different mini scrunchies, which is really exciting. So we've got Sage Mini, Ophelia Mini, Courtney Mini, Violet Mini, Isabel Mini, Ginger Mini, Arden Mini, Emma Mini, and the Saffron Mini. You may have seen me making these earlier on in the video. For some reason, there's some issues with my stock levels on my website. I do have a lot of problems with this with the platform that I'm currently on, which is why I'm hoping to change over soon. So even though they were marked as like 0 quantity and there was no option to back order them or whatever, someone was still able to still order them, which is completely fine. I was more than happy to make them up because luckily I had the fabric, but if I didn't, I would have been a little bit screwed. So that is something that I'm hoping moving over to a new website hosting platform will improve and I won't have to deal with that again. But luckily I had the fabric so I could make them up for Kirsty. So what a fabulous range of scrunchies. Thank you so much, lovely. And then the next order is from the lovely Laura, who landed on a freebie on the sales tracker. So I'm going to throw in one of the No Waste Mystery scrunchies. And then she's also gone for a large range of minis, which is super exciting. So thank you so much, lovely. We've got the Isabel Mini, the Sam Mini, the Raven Mini, the Reagan Mini, Violet Mini, Donna Mini, Emmy Mini, Ginger Mini, Arden Mini, Cressida Mini, and the Lindsay Mini. So thank you so much, Laura. Let's get those two packaged up. So I've pulled all the goodies out for the next 10 orders, which is super exciting. So this is the next 4 that we're going to pack. So we've got JJ, Ali, Angela and Elizabeth. Guys, thank you so much. So JJ's gone for a Raven with the lace trim, a Sam Mini and a Lindsay Mini. Elizabeth's gone for a Wren Mini and then a Raven and Reagan lace trim. Then Ali's gone for 2 mystery scrunchies, one of the Violet Minis as well as a Lindsay Mini. And finally Angela has gone for a Raven, a Reagan and a Sam Mini. So guys, thank you so much. Let's do these 4 next. So I am just going to have to hit pause on packaging up orders. So before I do JJ's, I need to head upstairs and I need to print off some more thank you stickers because I am out and I'm running very low on my Fauna Rose stickers as well. Let me just check. Completely out of thank you stickers, and this is the small little pile I have left of my Fauna Rose stickers. So I should definitely have enough of these orders, but I definitely need some thank you stickers. So let's get some of those printed first and then I can carry on getting the rest of them packaged up. It's getting quite late, so I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to do this before the post office closes, and there's a lot of parcels here and my local post office is probably not going to be happy with that because it's only small. It's like 1 counter, so we'll see. Okay, there we go. I've just printed off a bunch of thank you stickers as well as Fauna Rose stickers. So I've got the ones that are like the rainbowy sort of colour as well as the green ones. So I've just done a mix of both. So I'm going to carry on with JJ's order and then I'm going to pick out the rest of them. I do need to find some of my bigger boxes because 3 of the orders have glass can cups in them, which is amazing. I do need to find the straws for them as well. I desperately need to get back into my studio. We really need to get a wriggle on with these home reno projects upstairs because it's getting a little bit chaotic. The cats are running about and causing chaos and I'm trying to keep them away from everyone's orders. It's just a bit of a disaster and I'm constantly running up and down the stairs trying to find stuff, so hopefully we'll be back in there soon, but let's carry on. Okay, so the next 3 orders, we've got Georgia, Jamie and Victoria. So guys, thank you so much. We've got wonderful Jamie, who's one of my family members. Jamie's picked up an Isabel XL and an Isabel Mini, as well as a Candy Mini. And then we've also got 2 No Waste Mystery Scrunchies. Georgia's picked up a huge range of minis, so thank you so much, lovely. So we've got the new Violet Mini, Sapphire, Hunter, Juniper, Olive, Bailey, the new Rhea, the new Ginger and a Donna Scrunchie. Thanks so much, Georgia. And then finally we've got Victoria, who landed on a freebie. So I'm going to throw in a friendship bracelet that I made, as well as a No Waste bookmark in the checkerboard print. Victoria's picked up 2 of the Raven Lace Trim Minis, which is amazing, as well as an Emmy XL and one of the No Waste mini keychain wallets as well, which is incredible. So guys, thank you so much. Let's do these 3 next. Alright guys, so these are the final orders and they're all pretty much not identical, but they've all got a cup and 2 minis in, which I thought was really cool. So we got the autumnal cup, the Isabel Mini and the Sam Mini for Elaine, and then Dawn has got a cup as well, a Violet Mini and an Emmy Mini, and then the lovely Sharon has landed on a freebie, so I'm going to send her a little No Waste Mystery Scrunchie. We've got a Violet Mini, a Lindsay Mini and a cup as well. So thank you so much guys. I need to make sure I pop a straw in with all of your orders, but these are the last ones, so let's get them done. Okay guys, they're all done. That's quite a lot. It's going to take me quite a long time to get some shipping labels sorted, and it's already like 5 PM. I have no idea what time my post office closes. I'm never really sure, and because I don't usually go to that post office in the evenings, I've never like made a mental note of when it's open till. So I do have a few errands to run this evening, so I'm considering just taking them with me just in case, but I'm going to spend the next however long weighing them, getting all the weights, getting all the shipping labels sorted and stuff. And if I can't send them today, that's fine, I'll take them tomorrow morning, but they're all there, which is absolutely incredible. incredible. So guys, thank you so much. I am going to leave this video here, so it might have been a shorter one, I'm not really sure, but it's probably going to be a bonus one either way. So if you could give it a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you aren't. All the social media for Fauna Rose is linked down below, so feel free to head on over there and check it out. Apart from that, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.